Hi, it's Matt from Octane. Hope you're well. Just going to do a quick walk around video this afternoon of this Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T6, and it's a shuttle, so a very rare shuttle. This was without a doubt a special order vehicle. The lines of this van I just think are fabulous on the Amarok wheels. They just set it apart and make it look so pure, the way it sits, etc. I just think it really gives it some a really cool appearance, but yet not overly modified, which I think is pretty smart. Without a doubt, you'd be the coolest, let's say, the coolest dad, the coolest parents with this shuttle. It is a hugely spec'd vehicle, and that's why I believe it was a special order van. It's just awash with equipment, and it's an absolute pleasure to drive. Extremely quiet, extremely refined, and it's ready to go. It's again, we bought it private. We bought it from a private family who've had so many memories with this van, travelling all over Europe with it, and all over the UK as well. But it was a huge integral part of the family, and a fabulously well maintained vehicle as well. It's got a raft of invoices with it. Superbly looked after, as I say, had everything it needs, on time and in full. 2 keys, full service history, all the books, all the papers, the correct wallet. Let's get into the specs. So this van is in Metallic Chestnut, which you've got to see this colour. It is just so different, and I love it. It's just got a beautiful kind of reflection, and I think it just sets it apart. I think it just looks fabulous. We've got factory fitted Xenon headlights, which just look great and are super when you need them in the dark, especially if you're going to go on holiday in this thing. Headlamp wash, Amarok wheels, tyres are fabulous throughout. The colour on this is just sublime. I just think it's absolutely stunning. And then we get into the interior fitment. When I say special order, you start to realise why in a minute. Black door cards, black dash, fabulous interior. It's just so different and complementary to the spec on this vehicle. Being a shuttle, you've got heated seats. This is a DSG gearbox, leather steering wheel, cruise control. We've got power sliding doors to each side. So it's a dual side door vehicle, which are both power operated. You can use these remotely off the key as well. So there we go. Lovely feature. The specification is just brilliant. It's got factory blinds all through the rear. This is a 9-seater with a captain's chair for the driver with armrests. This is factory leather. This is not something that's been added after or anything like that. This is a very, very highly specified vehicle. So I'll run through the spec in terms of what we know. Chestnut brown, bronze. Just a fabulous colour. I think it just looks, the lines of this van just get me every time I look at it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, it really is. Here we go, sliding door to this side. Obviously these seats recline, so you can get the passengers out the 3rd row of seats. There we go. Carpets, beautiful. Seats, just, they're unmarked. To say it was a family that used this and used it, you know, a lot, it's just really, really nice. The backs of the seats are nice. There's a slight mark in this rip on here, so we're going to try and address that as the days go on, but we wanted to get it up for sale and then look at that later on. So we'll look at that, whether we remove that or get it repaired at the trimmers, we'll see. So it's always had over mats in it, which is great. So that's protected the original mats underneath. Moving on to the driver's side, apologies, we've got a paper mat in here, but we've got, again, fully carpeted, fully sound insulated, all the stickers in all the right places. Look at the driver's seat, airbags everywhere. It's just lovely. I've done about 300 miles in this van, and it is just, it's just fantastic, especially with it being a shuttle. Folding mirrors, heated mirrors, all the keys. There's the sliding door button. Got 2 of these keys, all present and correct. All the books, all the papers. 82,000 miles. Cruise control, Discovery Nav, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, heated seats to the front. 9 seats, 9-seater, automatic gearbox. The list just goes on and on and on. Bi-Xenon headlights. We've got loads and loads of extras on this. It's got Koni suspension, so it's slightly lowered, which gives it that nicer stance and those clean looks we were talking about earlier. 19-inch Amarok wheels, chrome sidebars, heated folding mirrors, as I've said, cruise control, Apple CarPlay, loads and loads of stuff. Front sensors, rear sensors. It's a tailgate van, being a shuttle. Heating and air conditioning all the way through the back. Everything works. Lovely in the back. Reverse camera hidden under there. Look at that in the back. Carpet's beautiful. It's always had an overmat in the back here, so the carpet's hardly been touched. Look at the backs of the seats. All your heating mechanisms and your cooling mechanisms independent throughout the rear. Headlining's nice. Tailgate van. Just presents really well. Really, really well. This is a real quirky, cool van. Yeah, like I say, it's daddy cool, this for sure. What else can I say? It'll be up on the website later on today. Mega specification, fabulous colour combination. Just one on its own, this. It's just, you've got to see it. It's mega. Thanks for watching. Octane Specialist Cars.co.uk. Take a look on the website. Much more detail on there. Thank you. Bye-bye.